The following program is only for women who want a slimmer waist and an hourglass shape in just seconds. How do beauty queens, celebrities, and top models get that tiny waist and slim figures? Do you want to know their secret? Miss Belt, your ideal figure in just 2 steps. Step 1, compresses and supports. Step 2, slims your waist instantly. The secret is in the dual compression technology that firmly tightens around your waist, abdomen, and back for an instant hourglass shape.
I've been wearing it for the last 3 months, and I can't tell you how good it's been for me.
Miss Belt gave me back my waist.
Tucks your belly, slims your waist, supports your back, feel more firm and toned, shapes your figure. In just seconds, you can have a slimmer waist.
My girlfriends told me about it, but I never thought that it was gonna be this good.
Don't get stuck in your shapewear. Other products compress your midsection, but they are not adjustable, so you feel stuck and uncomfortable. But Miss Belt is instantly adjustable, so you can loosen it or tighten it on the go. Wear it over or under your clothes while at home, walking, working, at the gym. Wear Miss Belt to hide your baby body instantly. No matter what you do it with Miss Belt. You deserve to feel sexy, secure, and confident. No one will know you are wearing it, but he will notice. Miss Belt comes in stylish black or seamless nude, but you don't have to buy both. Call now and order your Miss Belt in black, and we will include the nude. Miss Belt, wear it over, wear it under, and get a slimmer waist in just seconds. Order Miss Belt today and get the black and nude Miss Belt for just $19.99. This special offer is for a limited time. Call now.